and welcome! Today we will be making banana bread and carrot cake with frosting. So without further ado, here are the ingredients that you will need. For the banana bread, you will need 1 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 2 pieces banana, 1/2 cup white sugar, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup melted butter, 2 teaspoon vanilla, 1/2 cup milk plus 1 tablespoon vinegar, and 1/4 cup chopped nuts. First, mash the banana. Add in the white sugar, mix, and add the brown sugar. Add in your vanilla and melted butter. Give it a mix and add your eggs. Sift in your flour. Followed by your baking powder and baking soda. Add in the salt and cinnamon. While mixing, gradually add in the milk with vinegar. When all is incorporated together, add in the chopped nuts and fold it in to prevent overmixing. Brush your loaf pan with butter or line it with parchment paper. Bake this for 30 minutes in a 175 degrees Celsius temperature. carrot cake, you will need 1 cup grated carrot, 1 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, 2/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup melted butter, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. First, pour in your brown sugar. Followed by the melted butter. Give it a little mix. And add in your grated carrots and eggs. Sift in your flour, cinnamon, and baking soda. Mix until all is incorporated together. Brush your pan with butter to prevent the cake from sticking. Bake this for 40 minutes in a 175 degrees Celsius temperature. For the frosting, you will need 1 1/2 cup powdered sugar, 1/2 cup softened butter, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, and 3 tablespoon milk. First, add in your butter and mix until creamy. Sift in the powdered sugar, and mix. Add in your vanilla and cinnamon. While mixing, gradually add in the milk. Mix this until you achieve stiff peaks. And there you have it! You can now enjoy your banana bread and carrot cake. Thanks for watching!